Within Spring.io, navigate to Projects and then select Spring Cloud in here. And basically, Spring Cloud provides tools for developers to quickly build some of the common patterns in distributed systems. For example, configuration management, service discovery, circuit breakers, routing, microproxy, control bus, one-time tokens, so on and so forth. So on the left-hand side, you can see what they have to offer. So a bunch of things, so including Kubernetes, GCP, Cloud Functions, OpenFace, security, Sleuth, which you'll see in a second, Vault for secrets management, and right here you can also read more about what they have to offer. But basically, and also load balancing, which I'll show you how to use this in a second. So in order for us to take advantage of these features, we have to install Spring Cloud. Now in this page, if I scroll down, you can see that this is how we install it. So we just include it in our dependency management, and we refer to the version, and then type POM, scope import, and then job done. Now, if I also scroll down in here, so what I want to show you is, so let's see if they have the current version. So actually, I think it was right in here. Yes, so right in here. So as I speak, this is the current version right here. So the release train. So you can see that this dialstone was for the boot version 1.5, and then as it went all the way to 2.4, this is the version that you should be using. So 2020.0 dot and then X in here, and then aka Ilford. So you can click on this link and you'll see where it takes you, but basically you can see that here are all the releases. So currently it's at 2020.0.3, and you can read more about these release notes in here. But as I speak, I'm going to install 2020.0.3. And for you to follow along so that everything works without no issues, please do install this exact same version. So if I go back in here, and right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically take this dependency in here, Control C, and then let's open up IntelliJ, and within it, open up the main POM. And what we're going to do is, so if I put this full screen right here, so within the dependency management, we already have the Spring Boot dependencies, but let's also have this one right here for Spring Cloud. Now, this is so that we can let all these submodules pick whatever dependencies that they want, the same way that we've done with this Spring Boot dependencies. Now, obviously, we need to have this version in here. So Control C, and then in here, I'm going to basically have this version like so. And the version I said was 2020.0 and then 3. Now go ahead and reload so that it picks up the changes. And there you go. So now that we have Spring Cloud installed, next, let's go ahead and get up and running with service discovery.